Welcome to our demo video on how to apply for an individual Aadhaar-based KYC process through the eMudra portal. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of completing individual eKYC process. Let's begin. First, visit our website www.emudra.digital.com. Select class type as class 3. Select the user type as individual. Now choose the certificate type, signature, encryption, or both. If you require both, select the combo option. Then, select the validity, 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years. For this demo, we'll choose combo with a 2-year validity. Next, enter your contact number that will be used for certificate processing. Please note the mobile number used in this step will be considered for the KYC account that will be created. Click on Verify, then enter the OTP received on the registered mobile number and click on Login. Now you will be directed to fill the required billing details. Enter your email ID and billing address. If you want the USB token delivered to the same address, select Same Address. Otherwise, click Enter Address to provide a different delivery location. Before proceeding to payment, please re-verify the product summary. If you do not have the latest USB token, select the token option. If you already have a valid token, you can uncheck it. Select USB token accordingly to your operating system, Windows or Mac. Finally, click Proceed to Pay to continue. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Once payment is successful, you will be redirected to the enrollment page. Here, you'll be able to view your DSC order number, purchase reference number, and product details. In this video, we'll demonstrate the Aadhaar eKYC (OTP) process. Click on Aadhaar eKYC (OTP) and select Authenticate with Aadhaar OTP. Enter your Aadhaar number or WID number, then click Get OTP. You'll receive an OTP on your Aadhaar-linked mobile number. Enter the OTP, tick the consent checkbox, and click Authenticate for KYC. Your name and a masked Aadhaar number will now appear. Next, enter your email ID and PAN number. Choose whether your name should appear as per PAN or as per Aadhaar. If Aadhaar, select as an Aadhaar, enter your name and date of birth, then click Submit. Upon successful submission, you will receive an application ID and you may proceed to complete the credentials setup step. Proceed to set up your credentials. Create a unique username without special characters and a user PIN of 6 characters. Click on Get OTP. An OTP will be sent to the registered email ID that will be given over the email ID. Please note, if you want to change the email ID, the same can be done in the above steps. Enter the OTP and click on Submit. You will then be redirected to the video verification page, where the video needs to be completed within 60 seconds. You'll be redirected to the video recording page. You have 60 seconds to complete the video. Now click on Start Recording to start the video verification process and follow the instruction as mentioned on the page. For example, I am your name and I have applied for a DSC with eMudra. The code for this video is 429. After 30 seconds, you can click Stop Recording. Now, you can preview the video to ensure that both the video and audio have been captured properly. If everything is correct, click on Submit. If not, click on Record Again to redo the process and submit. Once submitted, your application will be validated within 30 minutes by eMudra. After the video is submitted, you can check application and verification completed status. The application will be validated by eMudra within 30 minutes. Upon successful validation and approval from eMudra, you will receive the track and expedite link on your registered email address to complete the assigned subscriber agreement. Open the email and click on Login and e-sign subscriber agreement. Login as an existing user. Enter your e-sign username, PIN and then registered mobile number and click on Get OTP. You will receive a 4-digit OTP on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP and click Proceed. You will now be directed to the enrollment status page. Scroll down to find the option to verify e-sign. Click the checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions, then click Agree and e-sign. After clicking Agree and e-sign, you will be taken to the application form page. Please verify your details and proceed to set your download password, also called the challenge code. You can set the challenge code of your choice with a minimum of 6 characters. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, then click on Generate and e-sign. Your application will now be 100% complete and the application is ready to download. For a step-by-step guide on downloading your DSC on Windows or Mac OS, please visit our official eMudra YouTube channel. You will find detailed walkthrough videos to help you through the entire process. Thank you for watching.